to NOAA weather radio station KIH-24 in Tallahassee, Florida, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz.
Yeah, finally. Hello?
And the emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous
Why did you go?
situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the
Oh,
severe
tornado block is on.
hazards for the Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama, southwest and south central Georgia. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or non-hazard day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama, southwest and south central Georgia. This includes the weekly test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and the emergency alert system for the entire county warning area serviced by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office. You are listening to NOAA weather radio station KIH-24 in Tallahassee, Florida, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This broadcast originates from your national weather.
Okay, let's do a little analysis here. The Cobra went off, but it had tornado block on, so it didn't do the siren. The 259 went off. The 74-200 surprisingly went off. I didn't think it'd go off. The V3 didn't go off for some reason.
The wind was variable at 3 miles an hour. A Florida State University.
Hold on. It's on any, so I don't understand why it didn't go off. Okay. The 0466 right here went off. 521 went off. 249 went off. 67 went off. 167 went off. 1658 went off. The WX500 went off. The 258 went off. EAR10WH went off. Version 2 went off. 96 went off. W10 went off. And the Alerworks EAR10 went off. So, poopy.